So the little project we're working on here is going to be a parkour game. I've started with the sort of standard stuff that you normally do. So I made a new project, making sure it was saved in a place that I had access to and so on. I went to the asset store, I grabbed the standard assets. I deleted that one file from the utility file as folder, the simple activator menu, one that causes an error. Um, Dropped in a terrain, dropped in my FPS controller, and so currently it looks like this. Play. I'm standing, walking around, whatever. So we're going to do a parkour game, and I'm going to start off fairly simple. What I'm going to do is kind of almost a staircase of platforms, which I'll do with cubes. So add a cube, um, which is added at a strange position, -1 to -0. I'm going to put this one at 1, 2, and 1, just so it's not directly on the origin. I'm going to change its scale as well. I'm going to make it more platformy by making it 0.1 along the Y. So you see how that's flattened it out. There it is. And I'll make it a little bit bigger, 3 by 5. That's quite a nice big platform as part of a parkour kind of game. So Control C, Control V, and clicking on this particular move tool widget thing, I actually, when I did the Control C, Control V, it just pasted another one directly on top. Let's zoom out so you can see what I'm doing there. So I've got a bit of a staircase thing going on, and Control C, Control V. So I've got another one now to work with. Control V, another one to work with. Go that way with this one. So if I hit play, let's just see. I might have to do a bit of tweaking with stuff. So can I jump up onto this? Yeah, there's my first problem. Is I can't actually get up onto the first one. Oh, maybe I can. It's quite a bit of yeah, I can. Look at that. And yeah, got a bit of a parkour thing going on. Of course, the whole point of parkour is if you fall off, you've failed. And the way we've achieved this is by going up high enough that if I fall off here, I have to go all the way back to the start and start again. Now, it might be good in a bit if we can make it so if you fall off, then it automatically puts you back to a starting point. That might be a good thing to do. That way we can have checkpoints as well. Checkpoints are great in parkour games. Otherwise, you end up with um, problems. So this is our starting point, and in the next video, we're going to make it a little bit more interesting.